my friends. This is Kawana, as known as Diamond KK. Yes. Okay, guys. I have a Diamond Art Club diamond painting that I got the other day, guys. Yes, I do. Okay. I'm going to start off and say, if you're new, welcome. If you are already my friend on my channel, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching my channel, being patient with me, and all the above. Yes, so we're going to go ahead and open up this diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. Do what make you sparkle. All right, we're going to go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, I have not opened it. So let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, I hope everyone had a good day today. This is my second haul of today on Saturday. Like I told you guys in my previous channels that I only do my diamond paintings on Saturday. The weekdays is very hard for me to do it because I work and I got other stuff going on during the week. But I'm going to try to make it during the week sometimes. Okay, guys? All right. Let's go ahead and open up this bad baby. Look what I got, guys. The Jetsons. Now, I saw this on Diamond Teedia, or Diamond with Teedia, or Diamond by Teedia. One of them, Teeda. She had this on her channel a couple of months ago. I went in and tried to order it. They had to cancel it. I ordered it. They had to cancel it because they said it was out of order. So then I looked. They sent me a thing that said it was ordered back. And I wanted it. So I got it. Guys, I love the Jetsons. I don't know about you guys, but I love the Jetsons when it was out back then. Some of the young kids, I asked my daughter them, do y'all know about the Jetsons? Mama, no, we don't. You know we don't know about no Jetsons. But I know everybody that's at least 45 or older know about the Jetsons. I know you guys know. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and open up this baby here, okay? And look at it. If y'all are friends with Teedia, you probably already seen it. She completed it. It was beautiful, marvelous. And so, but some people might not have seen it. Some people might not be friends with Teedia. But you know what? You're friends with Diamond KK. And let's look at this diamond paint, okay? Let's go ahead and open up this baby here. All right, guys. And you know what? I hope we got the new diamond art stuff that they had. See, in the other one, she had the old diamond painting stuff. She had the washi tape and all this. So we're going to see if we got the new stuff that they have for the new Diamond Art Club. Okay? Let's see. Let's open up and see if we got the new stuff in here. Voila, guys. We do. Look. All right. Let's see. We got the oh, okay. We got the new boat. I mean, the new, the boat here, where you put your drills in. You got the multi-placer. You got the single placer, the wax. This here is, you could take this off, put it there so you won't waste your drill. This is the cover. So just in case you won't waste it for like your grandkids, like my grandchild, however you won't waste it, or pets. Look at me. Got it on backwards. Lord Jesus. Then you close it up so you won't waste it, shake it, however you want to do it. Okay? Then you also got the wax. I had one in my other two diamond paintings. Guys, I still don't know how to work this thing, okay? I tried it. Wax was everywhere. I tried to do it, stick it. Wax was on my diamond painting. I had to wipe it off. I'm like, you know what? I must be slow, something. I don't know. Whatever. However, if somebody want these things, baby, you can have them, okay? I promise you can have. Look, I can't even take it out. But anyway, they say you're supposed to twist. Wax come out of it. However, here's the multi-placer here. This is the 4 places. I love the 4 places. I wish they have some. I'm going to look on Amazon or Temu because I love the 4 places that this flat like this. They work perfect. I love them. Even with Diamond Art Club, the 4-placers are perfect for me. I'm like everybody else. I love the 4-placers, okay? But these things here, I don't know. It just don't work for me, okay? It just don't work for me. Maybe just me. I don't know. Everything just me, okay? I just want to blame me. Then you get the baggies here, and then you get more wax. Now, the wax is fine. I can deal with the wax in my multi-placers and also in my single placers. But when it comes to that pen, I don't know. I don't know. But I mostly use wax and the diamond dots, the other stuff, the sticky stuff. I can't even think of it right now. But yeah, guys, look at this. So she had the old one. She had she had the old stuff in the diamond painting, her diamond painting. The washi tape and all that, which is great. I love washi tape too. I love the washi tape and all that. That was perfect. But you know, they got the new stuff now. So even though it's an old canvas and the old, but they got the new stuff. All right, let's put that to the side. Okay. And then we're going to get this. And this is the, say, join our Facebook group. You scan that QR code if you're not a Facebook provider with them. Go ahead and join. And then we're going to open this. It's the kit content. It tells you all about that. It tells you about the tricks and treats. Okay. It tells you step-by-step instructions how to diamond paint. Okay. Here's the stickers of the Jetsons. Look at them. I love them. All right. It's a diamond painting colors, 52 colors. Oh, my. Diamond painting squares. My. Canvas size 17.5 by 13.0, 44.6 centimeters, and 32.9 centimeters. All right. These are stickers. You can put it in your little booklet that people, you know, keep up with their little stickers and start date, end date, when you start it and when you end it. And here are the stickers, guys. You can also put that on this. These are stickers too. You can put it in your little, however you keep up with your stuff about your diamond painting. And here are the stickers, the numbers and the symbols and the codes. And they are 52 colors, guys. Look at that. All right. So you put these on whatever you use, the Elizabeth War, the imitation Elizabeth War, the little cases, however you kit up your diamond painting. Okay, guys? Here we go. We got those. All right? All right. Let's look at the canvas. And also, guys, before we go, some people keep these and put their drills in there. If they doing the baggies, they use it. I was told some people use these when they use the baggies instead of taking the drills out the bag or whatever. They use the baggies, and they use these as a kit up baggie or keep their diamond paintings, drills in the baggies, and they put them in here. Whatever it is, try to keep this for something, guys. This is very. It's used for something, okay? Just don't throw it away. Use it for something. That's all I got to say. Just use it for something, okay? All right. Let's go ahead and open this. All right, guys. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Let's go here. All right. Okay, here are the drills. All right. We're going to go ahead and open it up. Look at that, guys. All right. We're going to, and you know, Diamond, oh, I can't even talk right now. Diamond Art Club, they don't go by order. They go by weight, as I was told. They go by weight. So we're going to start off with, I don't know. Let's see. Sorry, guys, about the noise. Here are 3846. 747, 3756, 2 bags of 3756, 162, 3865, 996, 703, 702, 701, 3819, Z165, which is fairy dust, guys, meaning that it might have the little sparkles on there. I don't see if y'all see that. Sorry, guys. My phone stopped on me. So I'm going to start back by saying I was back at the Z165. So if you can see the fairy dust on these drills, there's the little sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay. It's got a little sparkle. Let me cut my light on just a little bit. It got some little sparkles on there. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a little shiny sparkles, but it brings out the picture really good. 519, 762, 340, 945, Z47. There we go again. There's that little sparkle. I don't know if you guys can see the little sparkles on the diamonds. It's going to bring out the picture really good. Once you put on the canvas, you will see the little sparkles on there. 762, 739, 415. Down here. Let me start with this one. Okay, here we go. 402, 155, 951, 437, 902, 3853, 310. What? Only one 310? I'm so surprised. 341, 738, 778, 728, 702, 3810. These are some beautiful colors, guys. All right. Then we got 600, 598, 597, 597, 921, 828, 3811, 772, 3325, 783, 3854, 727, 726, 3782, 113, 3822, 701, 114, 817. And I want to say anything that's 150 or less is the ABs. So these are the ABs, which is Aurora Borealis, which is bring out the painting out as well. And there they are. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes, it makes the diamond painting sparkle and shine. Like they say, if you sparkle, we all sparkle. There we go. There's the sparkles in it. You'll see the little sparkles. The fairy dust, it just brings out the diamond painting. It kind of give a little shine. The ABs give it a little sparkle to the diamond painting. 817, 3799, 3705, and 814. But yes, guys, those are the colors of this diamond painting. So let's go ahead and look at the diamond painting. And it's not that big, guys, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and roll them up. We're going to roll it up. All right, guys. Look, there's the Jetsons. I just love them. I forgot the names of them, but I will tell y'all. It will be up on It'll be up on my thingy. I'll give you guys the names of the people. But there we go, guys. Yes, look at there. I just love the Jetsons. That's the Jetsons. I just love them, guys. Here's the drill fill. Yeah, that's so beautiful. Y'all see the drill fill? Oh my gosh. Do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. And this is it is a square. Me and squares, we have the hardest time. All my diamond paintings been squares. One day I'm going to get a round diamond painting. But that's okay. I want this diamond painting. But look, this is going to come out great. But Diamond Petey, Diamantidia, she did hers and it came out great. I think she did hers in 2 or 3 days. I'm slow, so I might not even. I'm back, guys. I don't know what's wrong with my phone today. It just keeps going in and out. I don't know. Maybe my memory is going out. I need to get me another. I need to update my phone or give me a memory card. But anyway, let me move on. But yeah, here it is, guys. Here is the number one is gonna be here, and number two is gonna be, there's number ones, and number twos is here. So those were the ABs gonna be. And the fairy dust is H. H. Where's H? Right here's the hearts of the ABs. Some of the hearts right here are going to be right here with the hearts. I mean the fairy dust. I'm sorry, the fairy dust. The hearts. Looking for H. Y'all probably say, there you go, girl. There you go. There you go. If you see it. Maybe I'm blind. I can't see it. And going to be some fairy dust up in here with the hearts. Right up in here. But yeah. God, this is going to be gorgeous. This is going to be so pretty. Oh, H. Right up in there. I told you guys probably say, there you go. She found it. And right up in there. And H is up in here. Yeah, guys. This is going to be so pretty. I can't wait, guys. But yeah, this is Diamond Art Club. I love Diamond Art Club. I never tried Dream Designer. I'm going to try to get a Dream Designer. I'm trying to do all multiple kind of diamond paintings and see, you know, we all got to try all kinds, you know. But this is my Diamond Art Club from the Jetsons. And yeah, guys, try them out. They are wonderful. And tell me what you think. And thank you for getting on my channel. Love you guys. Peace. And you guys have a wonderful day, whatever time of day or wherever you are. Love you and have a great day. Bye-bye.